In this video, we will show you how to fix the Galaxy A23 camera that keeps crashing. Being one of the most complex features in your phone, there's always a tendency that the camera can encounter issues every now and then. When it does, the most common result is a crash. So if you're one of the users with this problem, then the first thing you have to do is close all apps that are still running in the background. Doing so will rule out the possibility that one of the apps is causing the camera to crash. To do that, tap the recent key to view the apps that are still running in the background. Tap close all to force quit them all at once. After doing that, launch the camera to see if it still crashes, because if so, then the next thing you need to do is the force restart. Doing so will refresh your phone's memory and reload all services. If it's just due to a minor system glitch or issue, this might fix it. To do so, press and hold the volume down button and the power key for 8 seconds. This will trigger your device to shut down and power back up. When the Samsung logo shows, release both keys and allow the phone to continue the boot process. Once the phone has finished rebooting, launch the camera to see if the problem is fixed, because if not, then the next thing you have to do is to reset the camera. While you can do that inside the camera app itself, there's a chance that the app will crash just before you can reset it. So what you need to do is reset it through the Settings app. To do that, tap and hold the camera app until the options show. Tap the app info icon to open its settings. Scroll down a bit and then tap Storage. Tap Clear Cache first, and then tap Clear Data. Tap OK to confirm you want to delete its saved data. Don't worry though, none of your pictures or videos will be deleted. Once you've done that, launch the camera again to see if the problem is fixed. The next thing you need to do if the previous solution fails is to reset all your phone settings. It's possible that some of the settings or features is messed up, so it's better to bring all the settings back to their factory defaults without deleting any of your files or data. To do that, swipe down from the top of the screen and then tap the gear icon. Scroll down and tap General Management. Tap Reset and then select Reset All Settings. Tap Reset Settings and enter your security lock. Tap Reset to proceed. Wait until your phone finishes the settings reset and then try to see if the camera is now working properly. As long as it's not a hardware issue, a reset will be able to fix the problem. But before that, back up everything as they will be deleted. When ready, launch the Settings app again and then tap General Management. Tap Reset and then select Factory Data Reset. Scroll down and then tap Reset. Enter your security lock and tap Delete All to proceed. Key in your password and tap OK to reset your phone. It will take just a few minutes before the reset is complete. After that, set up your Galaxy A23 as a new device and launch the camera. If this doesn't fix the problem, then it's a possible hardware issue and you should probably have a technician check it for you. We hope that this troubleshooting guide can help you one way or the other. Please support us by subscribing to our channel. Thanks for watching.